Hello guys, welcome to this weekly recap with me Kevin. So for past week of trading from Sunday December 8th till Friday the 13th, we took only one trade due to the really high impact news event, which was the UK general election. So on GBP NZD we took on the H1 1 hour time frame, we took a short and we secured the 50 pips right here. So we entered at 2.008 yeah 2.0080 and we securitized 50 pips at 2.0030. So as you can see right here with this big massive bullish candle, so conservatives they won. So Boris Johnson won the UK general election polls, and the release of this news was very impactful on the moment. So all GBP pairs moved like about 300 pips on the news within the hour, and it was big massive news. So even before that, so we actually took this trade before it actually happened, but it wasn't really worth it to take more trades because of the irregularity of the market price action. And therefore, as you can see, market is just voguing back and forth, up and down, and because we were waiting for the outcome of the general election, right? So still we took this small but nice opportunity. So as you can see right here, we were into this bullish channel, and then we reached this highest high, and then from there price made a lower low right here. So this low came to be lower than this previous low, so breaking market structure, being in a bearish phase, bearish trend, but not for a long time, because as you can see, it was just like consolidating since a lot of like a whole lot of time. So even like on the bigger time frame, you can see just consolidation, slightly going like downwards, but still consolidation in here. And so same for here. So as you can see, we broke down in here, market structure showed us a lower low, then we waited for the pullback, and we used our fibs for further clarity as always. So from previous high to the previous low, 61.8, and even this supply and demand zone. So at this top, that actually, if you look at it, it makes a kind of a head and shoulders, but that wasn't valid actually, because as you can see, price, if it had made this right shoulder, it would have just gotten on the downside. But you can see this left shoulder, the head, and the neck with these two. So uh, like this. But still, as you can see, so market came to do this move, pull back the right shoulder, so at about at the same height, 61.8, even just a bit above this supply and demand zone, around the 78.6, 61.8 zone right here. And then we came all the way down until here with the wick. That's where we exited, the back at break even, and back at here at about 12 pips below the previous exit, and then back to back to the highest high right here for a double top in here. So, and then we saw the big move on the downside to the bottom of the channel right here, precisely with the wicks, before having this the outcome of the general election that most traders were expecting for. So 50 pips, still not still not bad for such a uncertain week. Therefore, guys, GBP and ZD 50 pips secured this week, and coming week might be also a slow week, or not too much trades due to the we are approaching the holidays, so Christmas and the New Year's Eve, and so it's it'll mostly be a slowly week, maybe more than one trade, but still slow week to finish the year. So if you guys want to copy your quality signals, you can do so as always, and go on goldenoptiontrading.com, our official website, put in your email address to stay updated for our latest announcements, releases, giveaways too. So stay updated to that, and you can also follow us at Golden Option Trading, which is the main account with 62K followers. This is the official account, the main one in English with 62K followers. Pay attention out there. There's so many scammers, but none of them has as much as followers that we do. So you can guide yourselves to see who's legit and not by the follower numbers. And also the only other account right here at Golden Option, which is the Francophone account with 19.4K followers. So still no other page has that much followers as compared to these two, especially this one, but the French one neither. Nobody reaches this, so pay attention to this, guys. And therefore, I hope you enjoyed your week. That even some of you who didn't take maybe this trade and took the general elections release data benefited from this. And if you got caught on the wrong side of the market and you got stop loss, or your account was you blew your account, it's only due to the lack of preparation for this. So I advise you to check our trading programs and courses for enhancement of your knowledge in this regard. So without further ado, guys, have a good next trading week. Maybe for most of you, you're going to rest, so have a good end of a year. Happy Christmas for those of you who celebrate this holiday, and Happy New Year if there is no trades for the upcoming week. Or still, we'll see each other the next week if there are some trades. See you guys and take care.